This is the Blackmagic. It's my Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Let's go ahead and open it. Awesome. Okay, cool. So the things that you'll get with this, and cameras, welcome Blackmagic design. It's a thank you thing, getting started online manual, latest software, learn more. There's always more stuff to learn about any product that you get, and this is a very nice, slick way to give you the intro on that. Cool sticker, must have. If you don't come with a cool sticker, you're not, advertising. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the back of my laptop. And this is DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. This is cool. My other camera doesn't come with a connection like this. So this, what it does, you hook it up into the wall, and there's not going to be a lot of times that you'll need this, but sometimes you go to a different country or they have a different outlet, and it's pretty handy to have one of these. So you have this little adapter. This is what we currently use in the US, and I noticed that like other countries, mostly other countries, don't really use it, but since I am in the US, I'll hook this up, and this hooks direct power to my camera. And then this is the battery pack that I'll be using, and here is the camera, and that's it. You have very minimal, very well set up, just ready to go. And it comes with, as I thought, a 1/4 screw, so I'll definitely be screwing that in a second. I already have one charged up, ready for this one, because they are exactly the same thing that my Canon uses. And I'll go ahead and hook this on the wall. As far as hooking it direct power, not ever have to worry about having a battery on there, but definitely when you're on the go, this thing, I mean, you would have to be really lucky to find an outlet and stuff. So that's where the battery comes in, and it's really easy. If you had a Canon, it's basically exactly the same design, and it's really cool. I like this design. It's really simple. It just pops right out. Has a little tiny locking clip, which is right there. That equal sign right there, those two little silver ones, that's the end part. So basically you just push it on that little tiny clip on the corner. If it's giving you a hard time going in like this, just kind of angle it out and go that corner first and slide it straight in. Clips on that same clip, and that's what locks it. And this is a secondary lock, and it's on, which I think it's kind of cool. So yeah, English, okay, it's touchscreen, but I am gonna go figure out exactly where the SD card is at. And I was thinking it should be right on the handle, like here somewhere, but I don't. Yeah, it's just really well hidden, really well put together. Okay, so gonna use one of these guys. I'm gonna insert it there, and it has a thing right there where the notch is facing that way. I'll slip it in, clip it, and I am going to invest into one of these bigger cards, just because I have no actual working experience with the bigger ones. this point, since we're just waiting, I am gonna start by mounting the adapter and putting on the lens. The lenses that I have, in order for you to put them on there, you need an autofocus mount adapter, and then this is an EF M1. Cool. Those are a couple little instructions. So I never touch it, I never even get curious of like whatever is in there. Same thing with this. Comes ready to pull out and play. There's a red dot on the top, that's what you need to align. I'll pull out. Why the hell this shit was in there beats me, but take that shit off as soon as you do it, because you might run a risk of that falling into the no-no spot. So what I'm gonna do is really quick, pull this out, pull the tab out, align the red button or the red dot with the other red dot, which is down there. You kind of see it right there. Red dot, mate them, spin, and the red dot is 12 o'clock. You need to take this off. Has a quick release. Unlike the other one, you have to push this in order for you to twist out. Once it's on, I'm not taking it off. You have the lens cap and you have the cap for this guy. Keep them somewhere that you are not going to lose them, because you're going to definitely need them, possibly someday. Here's a lens that I'm going to be using today, because I'm curious what the 85mm can do. I've never shot with an 85, so that's the one that I'm mostly curious. As far as the 50mm and the other wide angle lens, I have a wider angle lens than the one that I just got, but so I'm not that curious. But the 85mm, I don't know, never had it, this lens, so I'm extra curious as far as this lens. It comes with some instruction packages. 85mm no sticker is a big no-no for me. Like if you have any kind of name brand and you don't have a sticker that you send out, these aren't cheap. So a sticker, like 50 cents or whatever, yeah. Comes also with like a little sleeve that you'll possibly use. Never use them before, but put it back in the box. Maybe one day I'll use it because I have them now, or I have one. But I also have a bunch of Crown Royal sleeves, and I never use them. It's very straightforward. Same thing we did with the other one. We're gonna, oh, but not this one has a tab on the side to lock, because you'll be locking in the other ones. Okay, cool. Duly noted on that one. And the Viltrox feels really cheap in comparisons to all the other ones, as far as that little clicking button right there. Most of the other buttons, everything on the Blackmagic is looking spicy, but this thing looks like, Jesus. This is the thing that's gonna keep your lenses locked in, and it looks like it's about to fall off, and I just got it. God damn, this thing's cheap. Okay, cool. So you pull this off. Same thing for the other one. You pull this off, and inside there's a red dot. I'm gonna align the red dot. Cool. And that's it.